I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you avoid wasted steps. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date, and back up your iPhone before changes. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi or cellular data and open Settings, then Cellular to inspect the ESIM entry. If the plan shows inactive or SOS only, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. You do this to force a fresh network handshake and to let the phone requery carrier provisioning. Now you perform the core reprovisioning steps. If the ESIM is present but SOS only, remove the cellular plan from Settings Cellular and restart the phone. This clears a stuck profile. Then re-add the plan using the carrier QR code, the carrier's app, or the iPhone's ESIM transfer tool. Follow on-screen prompts and accept carrier settings. If the re-add fails, use Reset Network Settings to clear cached network data. This often resolves provisioning conflicts without erasing personal files. Finish by validating service so you can be confident everything works. Make a voice call, send a text, and browse the web to confirm voice and data. Check Settings Emergency SOS and Cellular Default Voice Line so emergency calls route correctly. If you still see SOS only, perform one key troubleshooting step. Reset network settings, then re-provision the ESIM. If that fails, contact your carrier to refresh provisioning on their end, and if needed, run Apple diagnostics for hardware or modem issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.